Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Olympiad Maths. Learn everyday mathematics for class 2 with me. Here I am posting some Olympiad questions for grade 2 from previous year paper 8 IMO. For more such videos, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for new uploads. Latika spent half an hour in library. She spent another 1 hour in the park. She came out of the park at 25 minutes past 2 p.m. At what time did she reach the library? Now, she spent half an hour in library and 1 hour in park. Came out of park at 25 minutes past 2 p.m. 25 minutes past 2 p.m. is 2:25 p.m. Now time she reached in park is 2:25 minus 1 hour. 1 hour is the time she stayed in the park. So we will subtract it from 2:25. So we get 1:25 p.m. which is time she reached in park. Now time she reached in library is 1:25 p.m. minus 30 minutes. 30 minutes is the time she stayed in library. So we will get 12:55 p.m. Let's move to next question. There are 14 mangoes hanging on each tree. How many mangoes are there on 10 trees? Now 14 mangoes hanging on each tree. That means one tree has 14 mangoes. Now there are 10 such trees. So number of mangoes on 10 trees will be 10 times 14, which is 10 into 14 equals to 140. So 140 mangoes on 10 trees. Question 3. One farmer has 213 cows and another farmer has 67 cows. How many more cows does the first farmer has? Now one farmer has 213 cows, another farmer has 67 cows. So first farmer has 213 minus 67 is equals to 146 more cows. Next, there are 812 people in a train. Another 24 people get into the train. How many people are there in all now? So there are 812 people in train. Another 24 people get into the train. See the figure. Now total number of people in train is 812 plus 24 is equals to 836. Garima has 18 chocolates. She wants to distribute them equally between Bina and Priya. How many chocolates will Priya get? Now see the figure. Garima has 18 chocolates. She wants to distribute them equally between Bina and Priya. So now 18 chocolate has to be distributed equally between two peoples. So we'll do 18 divided by 2 equals to 9. So each will get 9 chocolates and Priya will get 9 chocolates. There are total of 40 apples in a basket to be distributed among 4 students equally. How many apples does each student get? Now see the figure. 40 apples in a basket has to be distributed among 4 students equally. So 40 apples distributed equally among 4 students means 40 divided by 4 equals to 10. Now each student will get 10 apples. Virat bought 3 pens at rupees 15 each and spent rupees 78 to buy a pair of socks. How much money did Virat spend altogether? Now see the figure. 3 pens at rupees 15 each means cost of 1 pen is rupees 15. So cost of 3 pens is 3 into rupees 15 equals to rupees 45. And he spent rupees 78 to buy a pair of socks. Look at the pink oval. So altogether he spent rupees 45, which is the cost of 3 pence, plus rupees 78, which is cost of pair of socks. So he spent 120 rupees altogether. The weight of a book is 250 grams. The weight of a bag is 504 grams more than the weight of a book. Find the weight of the bag. Now look at the figure. Weight of a book is 250 grams. Weight of a bag is 504 grams more than the weight of book. So weight of bag equals to 504 grams more than 250 grams. 250 gram is weight of book, or 504 plus 250 is equals to 754 grams is the weight of the bag. Mr. Kapoor reached a mall at 10:45 am. He shopped there for 3 hours and 15 minutes and then left the mall. At what time did he leave the mall? Now look at the figure. Mr. Kapoor reached mall at 10:45 am. Shopped there for 3 hours and 15 minutes. Then left the mall. Now to calculate time he left the mall, we have to add 3 hours and 15 minutes to the time he reached the mall, that is 10:45. So in order to add 3 hours and 15 minutes to 10:45, first we add 3 hours to 10:45, so it will be 1:45. Now add 15 minutes, then it will be 2 o'clock. So 2 o'clock he left the mall. So correct option is B. Thanks for watching. If you found the video useful, like, share and subscribe. Write in the comments about the video.